Hi everyone, here is a long overdue update on my two fan home builds going on at the same time for the Eleanor Mustang and the Ecto-1 by Ghostbusters. So first up, let's look at Eleanor. I think Eleanor is a little bit farther along. Basically the chassis and interior are pretty much done. We got the little folding seats, the seats in the back kind of fold up in place, so that's pretty neat. The engine is mostly done. Chassis, the wiring is, we would say, in process. I do have the next month's supply of stages is past due and not in stock, so it's going to hold up progress. The body, as you can see, is mostly there. I think just yesterday I did the hood. You can see the kind of scale hinges, which are pretty neat. You've got the little hood stays with hood pins, which is cool. The trunk is now in place. If that opens, let's see if that'll open. Haven't even tried yet. Yeah, that opens nicely. Got one of the LED taillights in. So yeah, that's the Ecto-1. I'm due for stage like 100, and I think there's less than 120 to finish it, maybe 110, so really close. Ecto-1 over here, not quite as far along, but it's a more complicated build. I think there's like 120 to 140 stages, I forget. But deep into wiring, you can see the headlights are on. You can see all that wiring. Some more LEDs that are on right now. I'm missing a stage over here that they have on back order. Shipment 15, I think. So that's holding me up a little bit. But you see the engine is done. The interior is mostly done. I do have the start just this week. The main body came. Gives you a sense of scale over here. It is huge. There's my hand for scale. It's a relatively large hand, so. And there's a 1/18 scale auto art box. So yeah, that's a big boy. Fender started showing up. Again, did the hood hinges on this one too. So yeah, real progress. I hope to have these both finished within the next couple months, but you're at the mercy of stock. You know, if you have a stage that's on back order, it really halts up progress sometimes 6 months at a time. But yeah, that's my update. Everyone tune in next week. Got a new car to review. I'm gonna start doing weekly reviews, one car at a time, because I'm thinking I'll be buying a little bit less this year because of tariffs and running out of room. But yeah, that's my update. Everyone have a good one. Please like and subscribe.